You're halfway through your baking recipe and realize you're out of eggs. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are 5 egg substitutes you can use right now with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Mashed bananas work great in sweet recipes like cakes or muffins. Use half a mashed banana to replace 1 egg. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for 5 minutes, and it turns into a gel-like texture perfect for baking. Unsweetened applesauce is another fantastic option for cakes or brownies. Use a 1/4 cup to replace 1 egg. Plain yogurt is ideal for moist baked goods like muffins and bread. Use a 1/4 cup per egg. For a quick chemical reaction to help your baked goods rise, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So the next time you're out of eggs, you can still bake up a storm with these simple substitutes. Which of these substitutes have you tried? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.